His presentation is open for discussion. I have one. So you are replacing which ions?
One calcium.
Calcium? Out of how many? What is the proportion of your transition metal doping?
There is 6 calcium ions in one unit cell for the geometric structure. So we just replace one calcium ion with one iron and one calcium ion for the with manganese iron for the rhodochrosite.
Can you show next slide?
That was for the rhodochrosite.
Okay. More questions to.
So I saw that the color of this material is changing due to the impurities, right?
Yeah.
Due to the whatever iron or whatever other transition metals you incorporate as a doping.
Yeah.
You call it doping, I would call it impurities. So I kind of completely lost what exactly is the role of temperature and why you so much dealing with temperature for these cases. I don't see that you're changing your band gap when you introduce impurities.
But also in the case of pure calcite, if you do it for the higher temperatures, you can also get some colors, I think, because with the increment of temperature, the homolomo gap is moving towards the visible region. So
But do you have a physical reason why the gap is changing when you increase the temperature?
because you may find calcite in different sedimentary environments, so you can get a 300 feet depth, you can also get in 2000 feet, and if you do much and much deeper, you can get the calcite. And due to this geological pressure and temperature, maybe there will be some form the property change so that you may get the
But
calcite.
this changes the crystalline structure, right?
Yeah,
But it's still crystalline, right? When you run your simulations at very high temperatures, you're probably losing your crystallinity.
It becomes more amorphous, right? It's completely losing its symmetry. Is it? Like, especially when you go into 1000 kelvins, 700, 800 kelvins, I guess your structure becoming really very soft and not very similar to what you expect
Yeah,
from that.
due to the high geological pressure and temperature, it may be possible the calcite may form into aragonite, and from aragonite to betadite. Yeah, there will be some sort of
Have you
difference.
been able to get this specific?
No, I have not done the MD at that much.
So
temperature.
please note that this research was going on only for 2 weeks, and one cannot complete.
Right, but my point is,
Yeah.
I think that decreasing your gap.
It's coming not because, like, it's not really related. I don't think you can really relate it exactly to this idea that, oh, it was formed at this temperature, so that temperatures, that's why its crystalline structure becoming different, the gaps are different. It's just because you really introduce a lot of disorder in your system, right? And you're having a lot of kind of, let's say, this decrease in the gap coming due to the
Doping or
because you have a lot of disorder in your lattice, right?
Yes? You agree? He agrees. Well, thank Faisal for presentation and for discussion. And,